Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to study unit 2 lesson 4 sentences class 2 page number 14. ठीक है, as you can see in this picture, it's the Fiza's family, her mother, her father, her sister, her brother, and this is the Fiza, right? Fiza is flying the kite, her brother is kicking the ball, her sister is cutting the cake, her mother is reading a book, and her father is taking tea. Let's start. Write about Fiza's family. Example दी हुई है, Fiza is a girl. Fiza is a girl. Who is dash is a boy, dash is a girl, dash is a woman, dash is a man. We have to write here who is a boy, who is a girl, who is woman and who is a man. मैंने कॉपी पे नोट डाउन किया हुआ, आपने ऐसे लिखना है यूनिट 2 लेसन 4 सेंटेंसेस. फर्स्ट इज बॉय है तो कौन है वो? अली इज़ अ बॉय. गर्ल है तो वो कौन है? सारा इज़ अ गर्ल. वुमेन है तो वो कौन है? फिजाज मदर इज़ अ वुमेन. मैन है तो वो कौन है? फिजाज फादर इज़ अ मैन. ठीक है बच्चों, यू हैव टू राइट दीज सेंटेंसेस ऑन योर नोटबुक्स. अंडरस्टैंड? नेक्स्ट कम पार्ट बी. व्हाट दे आर डूइंग. वो क्या कर रहे हैं सारे. ठीक है, जैसा कि आपको पिक्चर में नज़र आ रहा है. फिज़ा क्या कर रही है? शी इज़ फ्लाइंग द काइट. यू हैव टू मैच द फिज़ा विद द सेंटेंस इज़ फ्लाइंग अ काइट. ठीक है, यहाँ से ऐसे मैच करना है. इज़ फ्लाइंग अ काइट. अली क्या कर रहा है? किकिंग द बॉल. अली इज़ किकिंग अ बॉल. ओके. Sarah, what is Sarah doing? She is cutting a cake. Sarah is cutting a cake. You have to match this Sarah with this sentence. Fiza's mother, what is she doing? She is reading a book. Fiza's mother is reading a book. And Fiza's father, what is he doing? Fiza's father is drinking tea. Okay? आपको समझ आ गई बच्चों? ठीक है. आगे नेक्स्ट आते हैं. यूज इज वर्ड सो टू से व्हाट द पीपल इन द पिक्चर आर वियरिंग. Fiza is wearing a dress. Then come, who is wearing a trouser? Who is wearing a trouser? Fiza's father is wearing a trouser shirt. Ali is wearing a shirt. Cap. Who is wearing a cap? Ali. Cap. Ali is wearing cap. Suit. Fiza's mother is wearing a suit. Dress. Sarah is wearing a dress, or you can say Fiza is wearing a dress. Alright. Shorts. Who is wearing the shorts? Ali. Ali is wearing a shorts. Okay. Let's come to the D. Ask and answer questions about the numbered picture in exercise A. Example, what is this? It is a kite. What color is it? It is purple. It is a kite. It is purple. Number 2 पे क्या आएगा? What is it? It is a wall. It is a wall. ये एक दीवार है. What color is it? It's white. It's white. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट 2 हो गया. 3 पे आता है. What is this? It is a tree. Its color is green. What is this? It's a cap. Its color is blue. ठीक है. नंबर 5 पे है. What is this? It is the string. Its color is black. ठीक है. 6 पे है what is this? It's a book. Its color is red. नेक्स्ट 7 नंबर पे आ रहा है what is this? It is a door and its color is blue. 8 नंबर पे what is this? It is a mat and its color is orange or brown. I think its color is brown. Okay, these all are the things which they ask about their name and their colors. ठीक है बच्चों, आज के लिए आपका यही पेज नंबर 14 ही था. नेक्स्ट लेसन से फिर हाजिर होंगी. अल्लाह हाफिज़.